Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Director Ma'am, dear Principal, Vice Principal, Section Heads, teachers, respected parents, and beloved students. How beautiful is this day? Because it not only marks down the installation of our student council, but also it symbolizes education and its importance in our lives. We will eventually discover the beauty of this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom, as this day marks down the investiture ceremony of Sandeepani Vidyaniketan 2021-22. Let's begin today's function with a prayer. Thank you, Dhanya Miss and Sri Kala Miss. It is my pleasure to invite our beloved Vice Principal, Mrs. Jaya Ramdas, to officially welcome the gathering.
Great things are achieved through great leadership, and greater leaders are created in the four walls of a classroom. A very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. Respected Jaya Ma'am, Sunitha Ma'am, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear children. On behalf of Sandeepani Vidyaniketan, it is our proud privilege to extend a hearty welcome to you all to this very momentous occasion of investiture ceremony. Dear Jaya Ma'am, I thank you for having spared your valuable time to grace with your august presence here in the afternoon to this investiture ceremony. You being here is a source of inspiration to us. I extend a hearty welcome to our principal, who is the source of encouragement. I welcome all our teachers, non-teaching staff, parents to this function. Last but not the least, I welcome my dear children, the future captain, to this function. My dear students, you are getting into new duties from today. You should always remember that you are meant to be role models not only to the students but also to the entire nation. Welcome all of you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaya Miss.
It is rightly said, leaders are not born, they are made. The investiture ceremony is an official celebration of a person's installation to his authority, power, right and office, and one of the most awaited celebration at Sandeepani Vidyaniketan. Due to the current situation, we are restricting ourselves with a minimal ceremony. Moving on to the formal induction ceremony. Chaitra Ranjit, a very soft-spoken, dutiful student and a graceful dancer. She has proved her mettle in academics and co-curricular activities. Shweta R, a well-known singer in Sandeepani Vidyaniketan. She is loving, strong and confident girl. She has always proved herself, whether it is academics or co-curricular activities.
Pranav Prasid Kurvat, a charming photographer. He loves to take part in all co-curricular activities. A very active, soft-spoken and responsible student. His softness is his strength. Srihari A. Menon. He is a computer whiz in all means. He is ever ready to take up any task given to him. Talented, patient, and confident, he has proved himself in academics and co-curricular activities.
Anupama Menon, a black belt in karate and composed. Anupama is always popular among teachers. Hardworking, responsible, humble, and strong. She always does have an opinion of her own. A talented singer, she is well accepted among her peers as well.
Mohammad Zeshan Valiera, a born orator and charmer. He is equally committed, responsible, hardworking, and bold. He likes to learn from his mistakes and always tries and works towards improvement. I take this opportunity to invite our beloved Director Mrs. Jaya Narayanan to induct the school captain Anupama Menon by pinning the badge. It's my privilege to invite our dear principal Mrs. Sunita U. Nair to induct the school vice captain Mohammad Zeshan by pinning the badge. Thank you, Jaya ma'am. Thank you, Sunita ma'am. Now, I invite our section heads, Higher Secondary Head Mrs. Deepa Menon and High School Head Mrs. Bindu Devan to induct our council members by pinning the badge. Thank you, Deepa Miss and Bindu Miss. Now I invite our UP Head Mrs. Deepa Ramdas and LP Head Mrs. Rekha Menon to induct the student council members by pinning the badge. Thank you, Deepa Miss, Rekha Miss.
അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ വിരിച്ച ഗുരുകുലമല്ലോ സാന്ദീപനി. അറിവിൻ്റെ മന്ത്രാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ വിരിച്ച ഗുരുകുലമല്ലോ സാന്ദീപനി. സ്നേഹസമത്വങ്ങളൊന്നായി കൊരുത്ത പുണ്യാശ്രമമല്ലോ സാന്ദീപനി. സ്നേഹസമത്വങ്ങളൊന്നായി കൊരുത്ത പുണ്യാശ്രമമല്ലോ സാന്ദീപനി. സാന്ദീപനി
We, the Student Council of Sandipani Vidyaniketan 2021-22, solemnly swear to discharge our duties to the best of our ability and endeavor to bring laurels and glory by upholding the dignity, traditions and ethos of our beloved school.
I welcome our director, Mrs. Jaya Narayanan, to motivate our captains with her inspiring words.
Good morning to all of you. I'm very happy to be part of this investiture ceremony of the Student Council of Sandipani Vidyaniketan for the year 2021-22. This is a momentous day, a memorable day, a memorable start for an unforgettable journey as far as the children are concerned. They say leaders are born, but I don't fully agree with that. I think that with the right exposure and training, leaders are made. So this opportunity which our student council has to lead the school for 1 year is an invaluable experience and one that they will never forget in their lives. One thing that is for sure is that at the end of the year, all of you children will be different from what you are today. You can never go back to being what you were, because captaincy is a life-changing experience. You become more responsible. You learn to take on more tasks. You learn to find solutions rather than complain about problems. And you become much more understanding, compassionate. And as a byproduct, you become a much more mature individual and a responsible citizen of the world. On this occasion, I wish to congratulate each one of you, dear children, and I wish you a successful stint as student council members. May you prosper. May you be blessed to become responsible world citizens. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those wonderful mentoring. May I invite our principal, Mrs. Sunita U. Nair, to enlighten our captains with her beautiful words.
Good afternoon to one and all. Honorable Director, Vice Principal, Section Heads, my dear staff and students. We have all gathered here today to mark the investiture ceremony of our school for the academic year 2021-22. My dear children, I take this opportunity to congratulate each one of you for you are going to lead the school the coming year. Dear children, when I say that you are going to lead the school, I mean to say that there are a lot of responsibilities that are vested in you. Today, you are being vested with your powers in the form of a badge which will lie on your chest. My dear children, please do not take this badge to be a simple piece of plastic that lies on your chest. It tells you more about your responsibility, your commitment, and all the duties that you need to perform as a leader. My dear children, on this auspicious occasion, I would like to bless you all, and I also pray that you people become great leaders of tomorrow, where when you turn back, you would definitely have to say that Sandipani Vidyaniketan had given you the best. God bless you all, my dear children, and wherever you are or whenever you leave the school, And whenever you get posted or whenever you go for your next higher education, people should always look at you with a difference. I mean, a difference in the positive sense. So, I mean to say, when you leave the school, the children of Sandipani should definitely leave a signature behind. And I also hope that you will work very hard to keep up the name and fame of our school, and also ensure that the flag of our school keeps flying higher and higher and higher. God bless you all, my dear children. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful guidance. Anupama Menon, School Captain, Sandipani Vidya Niketan for the year 2021-22 will accept her responsibility by delivering her acceptance speech and conducting her responsibility by proposing the vote of thanks.
The pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The leader adjusts the sails. A very good afternoon to one and all present here today. First and foremost, I would like to take a moment to thank Lord Almighty for His blessings and the smooth running of today's program. I extend my sincere gratitude to our director, Mrs. Jaya Narayanan, our principal, Mrs. Sunita U. Nair, and vice principal, Mrs. Jaya Ramdas, for believing in my capabilities and presenting me the opportunity to be a part of the captaincy this year. It has always been my pleasure to carry out the orders and tasks given by the school. I am grateful to have been the junior captain in my 9th grade, and I tried my best to live up to the power and position handed over to me, although there were shortcomings in my performance. Today, I feel honored and indeed privileged to stand here as a school captain, and I am excited and confident than before to be of help and service whenever my school requires me, and to exhibit my more matured and developed leadership skills before you. My parents, all my teachers, non-teaching staff, former captains, my dear friends and fellow Sandipanites, and each and every person I have interacted with, I am sincerely grateful to you for teaching me valuable lessons that made me who I am today. I promise to fulfill my duties as a captain to my level best and to show complete justice to the position and responsibilities I have been given. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Anupama. At this moment, I feel happy and proud that Lavanya Menon is our co-curricular head, and she has taken great efforts to make this event a successful one. Unfortunately, she couldn't receive her badge officially. On this special occasion, I invite Jaya ma'am, our director, to pin the badge. Thank you, Jaya ma'am. Thank you, Lavanya miss. Congratulations and all the very best wishes to the Student Council. Now, let's rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गा